So let's start with a couple of examples to give you a flavor of what GRE tests you on and how would we discuss questions in class. So let's say this is a question. A person goes from A to B at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour and returns along the same route at the speed of 40 kilometers per hour. What is his average speed? Now, when I ask this question in the class, many times students answer 35. Okay, so let's say one answer is 35. You can, if you want, pause this video and give it a shot and just see what answer you get. Okay, so many students, like I said, say 35, which in this case is not the correct answer. Okay, and that logic or that reasoning, let's discuss that. So, average speed is defined as total distance upon total time. Okay, so that's the basic logic, and that's why this answer of 35 goes wrong in this case, because this is our definition. It is not defined as average of the speeds. So if it was average of the speeds, we could have just taken 30 plus 40 by 2 and that is equal to 35. But this is your definition. So now I have not told you the distance. So sometimes students also say that answer is cannot be determined because I have not given you any distance over here. So we might tend to think that it cannot be found. But there is a way to find, because we know that speed is defined as distance over time. Okay. Therefore, speed into time is distance. Okay. Now let's come to this. He is going at 30 and he is returning at the speed of 40. So let's just put those two speeds here. Now we don't know the distance. Let's assume that it is x. Now if I assume x, the time over here, can you tell me how much it will be? It will be x upon 30 and x upon 40. And now what will be the total distance that we've written here? This is 2x. And what will be the total time? It will be the sum of this. So it will be x upon 30 plus x upon 40. And you'll find that the x gets cancelled. Take the LCM, you'll get 2 into 30 into 40 upon 30 plus 40. And you can do that calculation and find the answer. And the answer will be slightly less than 35. It is 34 point something. You can do that calculation and find it. So your answer is 34 point something. And the formula over here becomes 2ab upon a plus b, where A and B are the two speeds. Okay, one thing to remember, that the very important condition was along the same path, the distance traveled is the same. Okay, in that condition, your speed, average speed is given by 2ab upon a plus b. And one other trick to remember on the test is that it's slightly less than the arithmetic mean, 34 point something.